Hello, I'm teacher Frankie, and today we're going to study the difference between ED adjectives and ING adjectives. For example, bored, boring. These mean two completely different things. For example, I am bored. I am boring. Did you understand the difference with the images? Let me explain. Bored means that I feel bored. I am not interested. I am not having fun right now. It's an emotion, a feeling. And I am boring is a characteristic of me, my personality. I am boring. I'm not a fun person to spend time with. So, ED adjectives mean that we feel something. ING adjectives describe characteristics. And this is true for other adjectives. For example, interested, interesting. Excited, exciting. Frightened, frightening. So these ED adjectives are describing a feeling. So I am interested in English. I am excited for my vacation. I am frightened of spiders. And now let's look at the ING. My English classes are interesting. Vacations are exciting. Spiders are frightening. Here we're describing the characteristics of these things. And with the ED adjectives, we're describing the feeling that we have towards things. Since ED adjectives describe emotions, we're only going to use them with people, maybe animals. But all other objects don't have emotions. They don't feel. So we will use ING adjectives with them. And we will continue to use ING adjectives with people or animals if we're referring to characteristics. Can you fill in the blank correctly? My teacher is blank. I always fall asleep in class. Boring. It's a characteristic of your teacher. I am to travel to Spain. Excited. It's an emotion you feel about your trip. And last one. The book I'm reading is very interesting. We're describing a characteristic of the book. If you would like more practice with ED and ING adjectives, you can check out the activity on my Substack community at Peach Teach English. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and see you next time.